Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm just going to keep tearing down everything in the front here, hopefully get the seats out and just kind of everything up to the dash. And you see I've got like the headlining to come, things like that, get all the electrics out of there. And then hopefully start feeding some of these wires out of their little like, sort of down here, you know, start feeding them out, getting things all freed off, ready to come out. So let's get started. You should check this out. They've got one of the coolest like connectors, I guess you'd call it, for the doors. Getting the wires in and out, you see? It's just like a big connector. You can push through. Makes it much cleaner getting them in and out, because the new ones, or the old ones, they just like bolt on to get a nice tight seal, and then you change the connector. And then got a nice big speaker in the floor below the seat. I'll get that seat out when I can get out through those doors yet. We've still not moved the car over, so progress. As you've seen, got the seats out. They are some of the heavier seats I've had to carry before. I'll just show you what's underneath them. See, lots of electrics under them both. So I'll have to put these into the Rolls-Royce so that like I can get everything working, and then I'll swap across the ECUs and try and get some other seats. Suppose I better get started on getting out the center console so the carpet can come out. You see how far I've got so far? The carpet feeds up and under, so this has got to go. That's the center console all out. Easier than I thought it would be. I guess it's time to just give it a quick clean and rip out the rear carpet. Well, rear half. You see there's a joint here. Get the back half out now. So I found something that I'm not quite sure what it is. Does anyone here know what this is? See, the wires have been spliced into in the past. It's a rechargeable battery, just going to some sort of unnamed box, which doesn't appear to be screwed on. I had a look, they look like little plastic tabs. But it looks like some sort of tiger seal type stuff holding them in. I have no idea what they are, so I'll leave them for now and I'll do some research unless someone here knows. Gotten quite a bit done so far today, but I think we'll just keep working our way forward, get the carpets out, get everything out the floor, and then just like onto the dashboard. You see, we're halfway through the car, there's some like subwoofers in the floor, things like that, but just keep working my way forward. It's gone pretty easily compared to taking apart the Rolls-Royce. Much nicer this new stuff. The headlining out then. I need to save this plastic thing. I mean, I don't need to, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to reuse like the existing lights in the roof, but don't know how well you can see, But there's a lot of electrics up there that I need to take down. Obviously, things like the electric sunroof won't be staying, but I don't know what everything is, so better safe than sorry and just take down everything. But let's crack on. So this will be where I'll end this episode today then. I've gotten quite a bit done on the car, as you can see. I'll show you just in the back here. All that's like disconnected, just sitting up there loose. All the wires out the head lining except one at the front corner up there, which I believe comes down when I bring down the airbag. What I'll do next time is I'll take apart the dashboard and get all of that out, because I think this is going to be a big job with the amount of things packed in there. And I guess we just go from there. You see over here I'm charging up my Nissan. I was going to use it this year, like in the summer, but with the way we're all locked down, I don't think I'm going to get much of a chance at the moment. But thanks for watching. If you get a like, it'd be appreciated. Thank you.